Welcome, everybody. It's already here with Bomber Breaks, and I've got for you right now Leaf Pro Set Metal Football Random Checklist number 7. One box break. Thank you all so much for joining in. We also have a Matt wildcard box to give away, and I want to mention really quick, when I do the randomizer for the checklist assignments, whoever finishes number 1 in the checklist randomizer will also win the Matt box. So we'll kill 2 birds with 1 stone. When I do the randomizer here momentarily, whoever finishes number 1 at the end of the clicks will win the box. I wanted to mention that before I do it, which I failed to do previously. So, all right, here, let's get going, guys. 130 names in the checklist. There, Abraham combo down to Donovan Knight. 3 plus a 4 is going to be 7 clicks. And the one we need, 7. And Tanner McKee down to Jelani Woods. Hey, no problem, Jerry. That's a cool one, man. All right, Tanner McKee all the way down to Jelani Woods. Very good. All right, and my participants, I've got Michael P. times 2. Down to, I think it was William, and then Michael P. down to William, and then again, so forth and so on. You guys are in there 10 times a piece. 3 plus a 1. We're going to go 4 clicks. So remember, whoever finishes number 1 after 4 clicks is going to win that wild card box as well. 1, 2, 3, and the one we need after 4 clicks. First, the winner of the box is going to be Scott M. Scott M. Congrats. Don't have a box out here with me, but I'm going to put that over there. Okay. All right. So now let's copy and paste this full list. Scott M all the way down to Brad C. Okay. All right, starting off with Brad, I'll let you guys kind of look at the list as I go here. We've got 2 boxes remaining. The last of this is number 8, which is up available now. Odds top, evens bottom. Odds top, evens bottom. Odds top, evens bottom. Evens. I haven't rolled evens in a minute. Bottom box. All right, Chris Rodriguez there with Brad. Wow, they're up 17? When did that happen? It's like a 6-point game. All right, Brian Robinson Jr. there with Michael. I know you guys late in the alphabet always get the hose job here. I know, but as you know, I'll look up all these as I go as well, and maybe you could always do the pausing thing. But all right, good luck, everybody. Here we go. Going to start things off with Action Inc. 15 out of 25, Carson Strong. Scott, that is yours. Congrats. Next up, I've got Trey McBride in the orange. The Arizona Cardinals, 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10. Paul, that is going to be yours. Up next, I've got Ty Thompson in the blue, 22 out of 25. Michael P., that is yours, one of the combo names. Up next, I've got Zamir White, Power Surge, that Raiders running back, 1 out of 10. 1 out of 10 on the Zamir White. Brad, that is you. Up next, it is Jermaine Johnson II, New York Jet rookie, 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5 on the Jermaine Johnson. Paul, that is yours. Next up, I've got Kyle Phillips. Kyle Phillips, 6 out of 20. 6 out of 20 on the Kyle Phillips. Michael P., the Kyle Phillips is yours. Next up, more Jets. This one, the Buckeye, Jeremy Ruckert, 3 out of 15. 3 out of 15 there in the black. Paul, another hit for you, sir. Congrats. Jeremy Ruckert. I see next little Jalen Tolbert, Power Surge, Dallas Cowboy rookie, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, Jalen Tolbert. Michael P., that is yours. Congrats. Ooh, my first one. I got a dual auto. Boom. David Bell and George Karlaftis, a couple of Purdue Boilermakers. Bell now with my Brownies and Karlaftis with the Chiefs. The 1 of 1 college connections. Boom. Very good. Couple of All-Americans as well. All right, so David Bell is going to be Michael P. David Bell is Michael P. And that gives us Karlaftis is William. All right, so we do have to do a little randomizer between you two at the end. Another nice hit here. OHIO Boobin. Garrett Wilson, Power Surge, 14 out of 25. Beautiful Garrett Wilson. And Michael P., that is yours on the Power Surge Garrett. Finding those Buckeyes today. Which leaves us with our 1 of 1. I've got a Mojo Tiger of Javonte Barnes. Javonte Barnes, 1 of 1. Mojo Tiger. Pre-production proof. Boom. William, that is yours. Congrats, sir. Okay. That just leaves this here duel of Karlaftis and Bell. Three plus a 3. 6 clicks. The player on top after 6 going to win the card for their owner. And after 6, it's going to be David Bell of the Browns. David Bell, which was Michael. Michael, you're going to win the duel for your efforts. All right, that is Pro Set Metal Checklist Number 7, the last box we have. Number 8 is up on BomberBreaks.com. Really nice price point there. To recap it, I had the Carson Strong by Scott. He also won the wild card box at the beginning. Brad hit the Zamir White. Michael P. did well. Won the duel via the random. The nice Garrett Wilson. Jalen Tolbert. Kyle Phillips and Ty Thompson. Again, all going to Michael P. I had Paul with the Jeremy Ruckert, Jermaine Johnson, and Trey McBride. And then William hit the 1/1 Javante Barnes Tiger. Thank you all so much. We're going to stop and save. I've got eBay Heritage Baseball up right now.